So winning a Peabody tonight, this is POV While We Watched. Accepting on behalf of POV While We Watched is Director Vinay Shukla.
I honestly just wanted to walk up here and crack a joke, but what's happening on Indian TV news today doesn't allow me to. Indian TV news today is a factory of hate. News anchors are asking citizens to turn into mobs and act against those they disagree with. If you are one of those news anchors and you're watching this, remember, we are watching you too. We are watching as you weaken our social bonds, our civic institutions, our constitutional rights. We may not have power like you today, but we are watching. And it always starts with people watching and disagreeing peacefully. A long time ago, Gandhi walked to the sea, picked up a fistful of salt, and brought down the British Empire. I hope that this film and every other film and song and meme of defiance is a fistful of salt. Ravish's story is just one of the many more to come. I dedicate this award to my uncle Ravish Kumar and to my exec producer Jess Search, who I miss every day. And now for my protagonist Ravish Kumar.
Thank you. I left my English pocket dictionary in the car, so I really have very few words to say. When a journalist becomes spreader of hate and lies, instigator of mob lynching, cheerleader for the government, it becomes an instrument to kill democracy. When hundreds of news channels repeats the same, they becomes a weapon to kill humanity. Most of the Indian mainstream media is a disgrace to democracy and humanity. I do like to remember my wife Noyana, my brave daughters Tanima and Tanisha, who suffered a lot, and my millions of viewers who felt hopeless, helpless, and stateless because of this criminal Indian mainstream media. They came in search of hope. They supported me. They gave me hope to do journalism. Whenever you get a chance, please do support journalism. You will get a good democracy. Thank you.